Majita namakrotman dikangaka for the daily news updates every day apha Football SA. Orlando Pirates just dropped points. Ibidlala neSekhukhune United. Pirates ngoku idroshe 0-0 kula game. Dominated the whole game. Created chances, but the baller would not get in. Sekhukhune United defender uNdlovu by man of the match. What we coach Orlando Pirates wathi he can't fault his players. His players did everything right, tactically, technically, but it's part of football. Uchilo Coach Wadu. So his players, he can't fault. He couldn't ask for more from his football players. And the Pirates dropped 2 points, but 1 point game. They are second right now. Sundowns remain first, but only on goal difference. The Pirates have 29 points, Sundowns have 29 points, but the Sundowns have a superior goal difference. The Pirates as well, also, the fans of Pirates are going to be glad to know by Pirates in a game in hand. Other top stories, Kaizer Chiefs seyifikile ilendile eZambia for a CAF Confederation Cup game against Zesco United, Zambian Giants, but not anymore. Zipatropile. Right now, Zambian and Super League, number 7. But internal issues, so Kaizer Chiefs should get a result in the game, and they must get a result in the game. Kaizer Chiefs. Sibabonile bajimile today at the Levy Mashobana Stadium. Match ngo 3 p.m. kick-off. Must win for Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs upper group kangeqale grand in a 1 point, 3rd position. Zesco number 4 group. Chiefs number 3. Chiefs lose their first game against Al Masry, Egypt. Zamalek. Only the top 2 teams qualify for the quarterfinals. Number 1, number 2. Kaizer Chiefs have 2 back-to-back games against Zesco United. So Sunday, and then next week Sunday at Durban. So these 6 points which Kaizer Chiefs should grab should get them in the mix again to qualify for quarterfinals. Chiefs, they must qualify for the quarterfinals. But this is a South African team, Beto Premiership Club. Beto Premiership Club, this league, the top league in Africa. So therefore, teams there should always qualify for a quarterfinals, the CAF Confed, and the Champions League season after season. Because Kuchu Africa, the only top leagues, City, the Moroccan Egyptians. So it's always us, the Moroccans and the Egyptians, who should always be qualifying for Ilanuza in knockout stages, quarterfinals. We should always make it out of group stages. Kaizer Chiefs should not be an exception. This is non-negotiable. Stellenbosch last season, the CAF Confederation Cup, they made the semi-finals. Marumo Galas in 2022, yagi semi-finals the Confed. SuperSport United in 2017, yagi final. So Kaizer Chiefs, who are they? Make group stages unacceptable. They must win the game against Zesco. And then the return leg next Sunday, and then they're gonna play the final. Okay, they're gonna host Al Masry. So they're gonna play tomorrow in Zambia, and then 2 back-to-back home games against Zesco again, against Al Masry, who are like a mid-table club in Egypt. And then the final game, Zamalek. And other top stories is it results Chippa United iwinile game first game of 2026, but win 1-0 away to Orbit College. So great win for Chippa United. But Sugilo from number 16 to number 15. Other top stories Khuliso Mudau has commented on the hot reports that about say Mudau to Orlando Pirates. What? Excess Skrega, but Mudau has rubbished that reports. There's no truth in that. Nancy Darrell Cook, I found about that. I think one of my friends said something like that where they said I'm going to Orlando Pirates, which I don't even know anything about. Mudau. I'm focused on Mamelodi Sundowns. That was it. I'm 100% here. My heart is here. I want to achieve things with the team. I want to help the team. I don't know what's the talks about and what they're saying, but I'm 100% here. So he moved to Orlando Pirates. Other top stories before we close. The Sundowns, dropped 8 points. Coach Miguel Cardoso is under huge pressure usekhitchini ngoku. Sundowns droshile against Al Hilal last night. Sundowns are still top of the log. We CAF Champions League. 4-team groups most. Sundowns number 1 with 5 points, and also Al Hilal nayo number 2 na ina 5 points. Sundowns leader nge-goal difference. MC Alger plus ne Saint Elo Lipopo Congo with 3 and 4. And then the other top stories up before I wrap up. Stellenbosch are going to sign the 3rd player from Sundowns in this window. Already signed Musa Lebusa, the veteran left centre back from Sundowns, on a permanent deal to Stellenbosch. As born connections that Kevin Hunt are already working, but Kevin Hunt is a big name in South African football. Agents, they have him on speed dial. And then they also signed Kobamelo Kodisang on loan, the winger is Sundowns be loaned to Portugal, Stellenbosch. And then vandaag Stellenbosch agreed terms to sign Aseko Tiwane, Sundowns left back, and this is after Stellenbosch decided on the same day namhlanje to release the Uzbekistan Azerbaijan left back uMonam Turan Monaronov befike ngale season. If bukayibona engqeqe engumlungu kwiStellenbosch isuka Orkante Europe Azerbaijan imkile relasive Kevin Hunt uthi ajonga iquality Aseko Tiwane uzofika is a replacement yakhona. Kaizer Chiefs again i-fixtures angomso bafethu before I wrap up sivale. Kukho i-Betway Premiership games ezidlalayo ngomso. AmaZulu eDurban host i-TS Galaxy ngo 3:30, and then Durban City host iPolokwane City nayo eDurban was 6 ngomso Sunday, and then Kaizer Chiefs of course i-hostwa iZesco United ngo 3:30. Nazo bafethu zafandag cela ngalibala support channel bafethu ushaye ulike okanye if eqala udibana channel ushaye subscribe for your fresh daily news elke night ngo 6 kanye ngo 7 ngalithola apha ku Football SA. Mocha bafethu.